Hello to them. Going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this SmartDevil Neck Fan. It's a bladeless mini USB neckband fan rechargeable possibility. Oh, that's really cool because we does not need a power supply, only for reload of course. 360 degrees cooling portable hanging fan with 3 speeds, with 48 air outlets, wearable Necklance fan for sport, travel and outdoor activities. This is the newest fashion. As a typical neck fan, SmartDevil Neck Fan was designed as a headphone to free our hands for enjoying coolness anywhere. The USB cooling fan weighs about 80 hours. Lightweight baby, portable, with no uncomfortable or tired when wearing for a long time. Adopted the latest bladeness design. His hanging neck fan can effectively prevent our hair curling compared to traditional fan. This cordless headphone fan makes us cool, cooler, and most cool. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor activities, in strong wind and safety at the same time, with 48 wind outlets and 60 pieces of twin-turbine fan blades, which can produce a 360-degree surrounding powerful airflow. The portable hanging neck fan can make us feel cool quickly and always. Unlike other traditional fans, the newest bladeless neck fan can be used safely by children and the elderly. For those with long hairs, it's our gospel. We don't worry about getting our hair in. This cooling neck fan will be our ideal companion in hot weather conditions. And 2.5 up to 7 working times and 3 speeds. That's possible with 1,800 mAh large capacity batteries. This provides about 2.5 hours up to 7 hours of working, depending on different wind speeds of course. The neck fan have a low, medium and high. That means 3 speed options. One button to switch the 3 different wind speeds. We can press the button for approximately 1.5 seconds. At any speed we can turn it off or turn it on. And then we have 3 adjustable with the speed design offers us the most appropriate fan speeds to suit our needs in different temperature environments. And USB or battery powered. The USB rechargeable fan can be charged through our personal computer, power bank, or a car charger or a smartphone charger, and AC adapter. The built-in 1,800 mAh battery, a full change will take about 3 hours, and the portable fan can work for up to 7 hours. And we have a hand-free neck fan. It's portable and compact. It is designed to look like an headphone. We can free our hands to enjoy the coolness. Hanging neck fan is lightweight and portable, so we can take it anywhere. It is a good companion for gym, climbing, camping in an office, etc. in hot days. And noise reduction. The Wearable personal neck fan will produce a low noise during the operation, which will not disturb us. It gives us a comfortable and quiet experience. And SmartDevil Bladeless Neck Fan is made from the finest durable ABS plus PC plus silicone material to provide a long-lasting usability. It's designed to perfectly match every occasion. In summertime, and of course, maybe in wintertime too. SmartDevil was established in 2010 by sticking to the concept that they will never compromise on quality and never stop to innovate from the beginning. They spare no efforts on every detail, ranging from material selection to appearance design. SmartDevil has always stayed close to the latest trends in digital products and fashion in an attempt to make us high-quality mobile terminal a better tool and to highlight our lifestyle. And with this bladeless neck fan, there comes a step further. We have a size of 8.7 to 8.1 to 2.3 inches. The weight is 7.900. The The material is ABS and PC. The input power is a DC 5 volt 1 ampere. The battery capacity 1800 mAh high quality lithium battery. The charging time is about 3 hours. The working time up to 7 hours. And the charging port is Type C. This is probably one of the best hanging neck fan on the market. The SmartDevil Bladeness neck fan is redesigned on the basis of the traditional neck fan. It keeps the fashion headset wearing shape on the one hand, and on the other hand, it solves the problem to effectively prevent our long hair from curling, which well balances its style and particularly. With this new upgraded reliable fan, we will never feel hot again. We enjoy a cool summer anytime, anywhere. With a soft silicone cover and our double air outlets, everything is possible in Type C charging. This is SmartDevil Neck Fan. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So